I choose this text because it has a topic that caught my attention, and to be sure of there is not intoxication, I used the Google Scholar search for academic papers. I researched the text, and it turned out to be part of a publication called Problems of Forensic Science in 2001 by Bernardas Salna, student of the Lithuanian Institute of Forensic Examination. Which study disciplines such as criminalistic. And this institute belongs to a group of organisms in charge of different forensic science and called European Network of Forensic Sciences Institute, and the director is Dr. Mosuraitis. Source. Relevance. The document I selected does relate to my object of study, the quantitative methodologies when used when identifying a victimizer, so that a case is clarified. Authority. I found the text in Google Scholar, so the paper is academic report. Regarding the author, there is not much information on the web, only that the Forensic Study Center when she studied. And this place is very important. Called European Network of Institutes of Forensic Science. Currency. Although the text was launched in 2001, the methodologies and new voice tools were a success. Validity. The author used correct methodologies because she presented graphics, analyzed, and explained her method. Argument. The author mentions in her study another methodologies used in Russia. I don't think she wants to manipulate readers because her explanation is solid, and it is also published in Problems of Forensic Science in 2001. In the abstract, the recognition of people is designed the main application of the system in criminalistic person identification by voice. The objective is speed up the investigation. In the introduction, the software consists in two software, SAS and SIDE. This software is dedicated to investigation of criminal persons. Method and materials. It's a combined methods, quantitative methods. And the first is authority-perceptive analysis, and the second phonetic linguistic analysis, and the last acoustic analysis. And the conclusion, the legal process allow to the more agile and feasible, and also motivate phonoscopic examination for accelerate the investigation. The infography, and I have learned different terminologies such as crimes law and others that I may not have known before.